Hey guys, it's me Dylan Flood, and today I went to Toys R Us and picked up the Angry Birds Star Wars Series 1 blind packs, and I only got 3, so I'm going to open them up. And if I have any extras, I might think about doing a giveaway if I have any extras, so we'll see that later. So let's just get this open. So it looks like I got 2 I don't have, so I only have so I have Rebel Trooper and Pilot Luke for pack 1. Pack 2, Darth Vader and Stormtrooper Pig. Well, I did already have a Darth Vader. It came in with a pack I got from a loot bag from somebody's birthday, so but I lost my other Darth Vader, so here's the Trooper, and here's Vader. Bag 3, our final bag. And the ones that you can get are Darth Vader, Luke, Pig, and Rancor. You can get more, but that's just the advertisements they have on the box. And I think I have I got another Luke Skywalker bird, so I might do a giveaway. I don't know yet. And I got a Princess Leia bird in Booshk, which is a bounty hunter. So here are the guys I got. I'll put them in a line here. Second. If you just hear that, it's my sister and her friends. There you go. So I got 2 Luke Skywalker birds. I got a Darth Vader. I might actually paint this one and might make it another Rebel Trooper, like maybe Captain Wedge or something. So see you guys and bye.